Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Have you ever
Viking Journal. Welcome, Earl. Lothbrok and his companions need your help. Can you head to Nordic City and help them out? Sure, why not? Okay. Must head to Nordic City. Follow the path. Okay, I got it. Ooh, who's that? Hey, you, over here. Who are you? A dragger. Ooh, drogger. Okay. And they pop out spiders, so yes. Okay, so if you want this server, type poing.net. Okay, guys? Alright. Ooh, you're dead. Okay. Ooh, a creepy house. Where are you? Oh, look. Oh, hi. Yeah, die. Okay. This chest has... I thought you died. Okay, so we have codfish. But the thing is, we don't have codfish. Oh no. Someone must have raided this caravan. Looks pretty cute to me. Anyway. Oh, wait. There are two paths. I'll take this one. I think this will... Oh, this you with a diamond axe. A diamond axe. Nice. Okay, so I have a lot of equipment here. I'll take this one out. Get out of here. Oh yeah, I got the Golem Lord's axe. Okay. Ooh, another one. Yay. Okay. Hey. Okay, so we're on our way to some guy. Aha! Someone must have died here. Ooh, what's this? Hold on. The Wizard Scepter! You must head to Nordic City. Follow the path. Okay. What? I'm back. That's funny. Oh, wait. Oh, no. I think I'm trapped. Okay. It's like a dead end. Oh, look. Here's this guy. Oh, wow. That's nice. Die. 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 Oh, shoot. Redemption! I like this better. Yeah, that's right. Die. Okay, any more bad guys we have to defeat? Oh, look. Hi, man. What's up? You died. Okay. Okay, we'll continue on to this path. No, wait. Yeah. Wait. I think I was wrong. So, I thought there were two paths, but then that leads me back to the beginning. So, sorry about that. These rough lands look like those of Vikings. Ooh. There's a strange hole in the graveyard. You hear something shouting, Olaf, Olaf, explore the hole. Okay. It says explore the graveyard. Yeah, die. Okay. Olaf's graveyard. I remember that in Frozen. Yeah, you die. Here lies death by Viking attack. Oh, sad guys who just died. What's wrong with this door? There's nothing here. Oh! Oh, shoot. Sorry, must die. Ooh, looks very scary. Who are you? Ah, Monster Steve. Olaf the Mad. Olaf Slayer, timer 2 minutes. Which means he's gonna spawn in 2 minutes. So, oh wait. I should get this out. I don't need your armor. No, not this. Not this. Okay, got the paper. We gotta run. Run! Before it comes back. Okay. Hey, you. A receipt. Ooh, here's another one. Died again. Okay. Lost ring sold. Oh my gosh, I'm rich. Rubles. I'm rich. Wait, is this really? I don't think so. Hey, hi. You want to die? Yeah, let's fight. They look too easy. Speak to Persuklin. Okay. Oh yeah. What's the quest? Okay, 1. Kill some mushrooms for armor and food. Okay. Okay. Mushroom! Gotta go, bye.